Hi, today we're going to be solving a rational equation 2x minus 3 over x is equal to 1. Our first step is to get rid of the denominator, so we're multiplying the whole equation by x. So now we're going to end up with 2x squared minus 3 is equal to 1x. So our next step is to make this whole equation quadratic by just moving the 1x to this side. 2x squared minus 1x minus 3 is equal to 0. This also is a quadratic equation because it follows the pattern ax squared plus bx plus c, which is a quadratic. So here we're solving for x. So accordingly, we need to use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we're just going to use this formula to solve for the x in that equation. So our first step is just plug in for the variables. And once you do so, it might look complicated, but I promise it's pretty easy once you simplify it. First step, again, plug in for the variables. And now we're just going to simplify. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is 1. And negative 4 multiplied by 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 24. And now then just go ahead, simplify the other two numbers. We're going to end up with 1 plus or minus square root of 25 over 4. That's going to be a final. Now we simplify square root of 25, which is 5, and 1 plus or minus 5 over 4, which is basically 1 plus 5 over 4 and 1 minus 5 over 4. So now just solve for it, which is 6 over 4, simplify to 3 over 2, and then we have minus 5 over 4, which is simply just minus 4 over 4. So here we have x is equal to minus 4 over 4 and x is equal to 6 over 4, which can be simplified to 3 over 2 and is equal to 1.5. Minus 4 over 4 simplifies to negative 1. As a result, we have x is equal to negative 1 and 1.5.